Hi, this is Kukem. I'm going to make furniture today. Today's furniture is kitchen sink. It's always twisted. I used core wood 18 and put together this for thickness. I usually use a 630 nail gun to make furniture. Make a floor stand to level the floor. Fill in the foam in the empty space. It was so big and heavy. Cut the inside of the sink. When I make furniture, I first use nail gun and then I use a piece. It's made more strong. And then make the door stopper. Then put it up on the floor stand that I made. Next, make a door. Attach hinges on the door. The doors are ready to install. Finally, set up the sink bowl. Thank you for watching my video.